Integrating geo functions like routing, geocoding, or isochrones into your Python workflows is straightforward and efficient, without the need to build complex API structures from scratch. The Streamline Here connector for Python provides a direct link to Here location services. This allows you to seamlessly transfer location data into your data science pipelines, spatial models, or exploratory analyses. Results are provided directly as GeoDataFrames. This eliminates the manual effort of parsing complex JSON responses, making the data instantly available for analysis within Pandas. Installation is simple via pip install. The connector is highly flexible and designed for production-grade automation, offering scalable package options tailored to any project size. Test the connector for your next project and leverage the full potential of our library. You will find the latest access links and all technical details in the video description below.